show you what the problem is, what we're up against here.
All of this stuff down here is tooling for the power hammer. And this is not working for me, you know? This is ridiculous.
Recently, two of my Instagram friends, you know, the people you don't really know but you know, posted some pictures of how other blacksmiths have dealt with this in the past, and I said, that's a no-brainer, we're doing that.
I've already got all the dies for the power hammer mounted on the wall up here. I figured we'd put the bar right in there, hang all the tooling, so it's quick and nifty to get to the power hammer.
It's 99.9% important that I hit some serious meat for hanging this rack because it's gonna hold a ton, not literally, but probably pretty close, of weight.
So the main frame of this thing is going to be made from flat bar. This is a piece of 3 by 3/8 of an inch thick. I got to put some bends on it so I can mount it to the wall. And I'm just going to use the torch here to heat these up and bend it down. Nothing too fancy here. Yeah. Oh. Okay.
They're coming, guys. Just you wait. Here we go.
All right, are you ready?
I'm ready. I thought it'd be cool to have some square-headed leg bolts. And I just made this up. This is going to be a spacer. It's actually part of the bracket, but I'm going to use it as a tool to help create these, or turn these leg bolts, these square-headed leg bolts. You'll see how this works here. Got this mounted down. Excited about that. Now we're going to start working on the little hooks that we can hang everything on, which is the funner part. So instead of doing all these hooks by hand, we can just make up a quick jig here. Speed up the process. So what I've done is just machine that down to fit into this hole. And we're just going to go over to the fly press and press this in and then build the jig around this part. It'll all make more sense as we go here.
I've got the jig set up here. So not that much to look at. This is gonna plop on here like this. Okay, let's get a hot piece of steel in and we'll just try it and see if it works. A little bit colder than I was hoping, but we'll see how this all goes. That, probably not quite right. That's gonna need some work, but let's keep going. For the sake of, ooh. Okay, so issues are in here. That's not quite right. All right, coming in with the second try here. Hoping I can use this vice grip to, yeah, that's kind of working. The functionality of it is working well. I'm just not totally happy how it looks. I'm gonna try one thing just to see. I didn't want to do this, but oh, that looks so good. I might just do that just because oh. Yep. That looks very nice. Let's see if this is gonna work. Uh-oh. Did I just bend it? Oh no, just, uh-oh. That's gonna need some fixing. That's the winner though. That's the winner for sure. All right, that's what we're gonna do. Gonna tweak that up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go make a boatload of these. We got some hooks here. Let's go try these out. So the hook goes on here like this. And just put them on anywhere. And then slide them around as I need. It's kind of like a power rack, I guess. And I can just hang my tools here like this. And I think that's looking awesome. It's so cool. And then I could just adjust them, you know, however I need. As I go along and hang these up, I'm going to tell you about today's sponsor, which is Squarespace. So Squarespace is the one-stop shop for creating your online identity. You need to make a website? Think Squarespace. Squarespace has award-winning templates for like any type of website you're going to need. Not only do they have like a ton of templates, but they also have this thing that's kind of brand new
called Fluid Engine, so you can like totally customize your templates to get it exactly how you want. This has got to be the chunkiest one yet. If you need a domain name, you can get that right at Squarespace too. If you have to like sell a product somewhere, point of sale, you can connect your Squarespace app to Square Reader, which makes it really easy to do. Just for whatever it's worth, I've been using Squarespace for the last couple years to sell all my stuff. Look at this wrench, hey? It's huge. So head over to squarespace.com/timd to get 10% off your first purchase. Get set up with Squarespace. Oh man, that wrench doesn't fit at all. It's too big. Oh! All right, we might have to figure that out. Let's get the rest of these things hung up and then we'll go from there. I can't believe it. My rack is full. And I still have to put all of these on. These need the ends modified to fit the hooks. And then I have like a couple random tools floating around, but I thought I was building this to have expansion for the future, and I guess that came quicker than I thought. Or maybe I need to thin the herd. Like, look at this guy. Nope, I need that. I had it set up before where it was just pegs, and you would pile them all on. It was hard to see. And then the back one was the one you always needed, right? So then you have to pull them all off, put them on. Now you can just see, looking for this one, and then you can just take it off, right? So organization and efficiency has gone up, which is awesome. All right,
You don't collect tools, right?
No, I don't collect tools.
No.
Everyone,
Just what you need.
just what I need. Just gonna start fixing these up, and we'll get them on the rack.
That's gonna be it for me. Thanks for watching. Super appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. Till then, keep the forge lit, hey? Over and out. You came back to be on camera, didn't you, you little snooker? Hey? Where's your buddy? Where's your buddy? Don't have any food.